If px is equal to x plus 3, then px plus p of minus x is equal to what? Do you feel this is a difficult question? No, it is not. If you are feeling it, then this is just the fear at first sight. So, let's solve this and see how easy it is. See, we have p of x is equal to x plus 3. So, we already have this. What about p of minus x? Quite simple. You see, we have x here. When it is x, we will change it to minus x. So this becomes minus x plus 3. You can also take it as instead of x, we have taken minus x. Now proceeding further, we have to find the value of px plus p minus x. We can write the value of px, which is x plus 3 instead of px, thus getting x plus 3 plus we have p of minus x as minus x plus 3. So let's write here minus x plus 3. We have put a bracket just to be on the safer side, as we are replacing the value here, so we have just substituted the value as it is. This is equal to, solving it further, we get x plus 3, then you have plus into minus, we get minus over here, x, then we have plus into plus, giving us plus, and then we have 3. Now if you see here, x and minus x cancel out each other, thus giving us the result as 6, which is our final answer. Now, many of you might be wondering, what if we take the value of x as 4, or let's say minus 2, or let's say 6, or let's say 2, or anything else? Are we going to get this value 6 all the time? And how is it possible? Yes, it is possible, because when we are doing px plus p minus x, the result that we are getting has got rid of x. So there is no x in the final result. That means whatever is your value of x, this is not going to affect your result. This is totally independent, and that is why the answer is 6, and it will remain 6 in this case, where we have px plus p minus x irrespective of whatever is the value of x. So see, it is simple and easy. Just do it. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.